Hello, my name is Diego, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get an email when a picture is taken with a phone. So for this we're gonna use IFT, which is a web service that allows you to program actions in internet linking different websites and apps like Facebook, Instagram, emails, the weather channel, and so on. So for this task we're gonna link Android pictures with your email. So for this we're gonna go on the first step to if.com. In if.com you're gonna create an account, and then you're gonna use your phone, you're gonna download the app IFT. You're gonna log in as well there. That was step 3. So for the step 4, you come back to your computer and you're gonna click here in Explore. In Explore you're gonna write here get
an email, Android photos.
So the third option here, you can see the results of the many tasks that you can do with IFT. So we're gonna choose this one. Then we're gonna click connect there, which I already did, and then you're gonna write here an email. I already wrote my email, and I'm gonna click send pin. They're gonna send me an email here. If I wrote correctly my email, which I think I did, yeah, it's here. So now I just copy this.
3363.
3363. We're gonna click connect. And now it's connected. So you can go to settings. And here you can change the subject of the email that you're gonna receive and the body of it, and you're gonna click save. And yeah, the next step is going to your phone. So for our last step, we're gonna take the picture and receive it in our emails, but first I want to check if it's really linked. So here I'm gonna find Android photos and emails, so that means that it's linked. So I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna open the camera, and I'm gonna take a picture of my keyboard. Now the picture is taken, and I can go to my email account and just check if it's there. This can take some time, but yeah, here it is. I click here, new photo from Android, and November 2nd, and here it is. So that's it. I hope you like it, and see you next time.